Finding Perfect by Colleen Hoover, a heartwarming conclusion to a beloved series. Colleen Hoover's Finding Perfect is a captivating novella that serves as an epilogue to her much-loved series, Hopeless. This book is a treat for fans, providing a deeper insight into the lives of the beloved characters, Daniel and Six, and bringing closure to their compelling narratives. This heartwarming conclusion delivers the emotional depth and intricacies Hoover is celebrated for, tying together loose ends and weaving a tale of love, understanding, and self-discovery. Plot summary. Finding Perfect focuses on Daniel and Six, who are navigating the complexities of their relationship after the revelations in the previous books. Daniel is deeply in love with Six, but he struggles with the fear of imperfection in their seemingly perfect relationship. The story begins with Daniel feeling unsettled as he searches for a way to propose to Six, wanting everything to be flawless. However, in his pursuit of perfection, Daniel learns that love isn't about perfection but about acceptance and growth. The novella takes the readers on a journey through Daniel's perspective, exploring his internal battles and his interactions with other characters, including Holder and Sky, who have their own stories interwoven with Daniel and Six's. The book highlights the importance of communication and vulnerability in relationships, depicting how Daniel learns to open up about his fears and insecurities. Amidst the romantic narrative, Finding Perfect also touches on themes of friendship and family. Daniel's interactions with his friends and family add depth to the story, illustrating the significance of a support system and the impact of loved ones in shaping our lives. The novella beautifully portrays the interconnectedness of these relationships and how they contribute to the characters' growth. Key learnings from the book. Acceptance over perfection. One of the central themes of Finding Perfect is the idea that seeking perfection in relationships can often lead to unrealistic expectations and disappointment. Daniel's journey teaches readers that acceptance and understanding are more valuable than striving for an unattainable ideal. True love involves embracing imperfections and growing together. The power of vulnerability. Throughout the novella, Daniel learns the importance of being vulnerable with Six. Opening up about his insecurities allows them to build a stronger, more authentic connection. The book emphasizes that vulnerability is not a weakness but a strength that fosters trust and intimacy in relationships. Communication is key. Effective communication is highlighted as a crucial element in maintaining healthy relationships. Daniel and Six's story illustrates how misunderstandings can arise from a lack of communication and how addressing issues openly can lead to resolution and growth. The novella encourages readers to prioritize honest conversations in their relationships. The role of friendship and family. The support and influence of friends and family play a significant role in Finding Perfect. Daniel's interactions with his close circle demonstrate how these relationships provide comfort, guidance, and a sense of belonging. The novella underscores the importance of having a strong support system and cherishing the bonds that enrich our lives. Growth through challenges. Finding Perfect also explores the theme of personal growth through facing challenges. Daniel's journey is a testament to how overcoming obstacles and confronting fears can lead to self-discovery and maturity. The novella inspires readers to embrace challenges as opportunities for growth and transformation. Love as a journey. The story of Daniel and Six reinforces the idea that love is a journey rather than a destination. Their relationship evolves as they navigate life's ups and downs, learning and growing together. The novella beautifully captures the essence of love as an ever-evolving journey that requires patience, commitment, and a willingness to adapt. Character development and emotional depth. Colleen Hoover's strength lies in her ability to create relatable characters with emotional depth. In Finding Perfect, Daniel's character is intricately developed, showcasing his internal struggles and growth throughout the novella. His journey is both. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video. Also hit the subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and let's embark on a journey of knowledge together.